Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number or software version. So let's enter software information, and the build number is right here. So let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings again and go to the system management. Now let's tap on developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, or we can change the window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the no working overall, etc. So basically, to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on this switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and most of the options will be inactive right now, and after getting back, the developer options should disappear from the system management settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.